Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila with an update on your forecast for tonight. As we stand here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we have no severe thunderstorm warnings in the Metroplex, but look at this absolute mess of thunderstorms out west of the Metroplex. And we're also watching this stuff near the Red River. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Cook and Montague County for winds up to 65 miles per hour. But this mess of thunderstorms will be moving to the southeast as we go through later tonight. So with that being said, the WFAA weather alert day still in effect from 9 p.m. through 3 o'clock in the morning. The impacts remain the same. Our biggest concern will be winds of 70 to 80 plus miles per hour up to golf ball size hail. Can't rule out an isolated spin up. It's looking like a pretty low shot, but really the wind is the main concern. Brief heavy rain, wind and lightning, that's what we're worried about here. Stay updated, have a way to receive warnings. Download WFAA Plus to your TV. You're watching it on WFAA Plus most likely, and if you're not, if you're watching on any other platform, just know you can go download WFAA Plus to your TV. We provide all of these updates throughout the night. So that mess of thunderstorms I showed you moves east as we go through the rest of tonight. Albany, Graham, Archer City at 9 p.m. We'll have those very strong winds. The leading edge of these thunderstorms, that's where the most intense winds will be. So if someone's going to see 70 to 80 plus mile per hour winds, it's going to be right there along the very leading edge. Behind it, the winds will still be gusty. You'll still have rain, you'll still have thunder and lightning, but the severe threat will diminish once you get past that very initial front part of the complex of thunderstorms. So that's 10 p.m. into the Dallas-Fort Worth area by 11. From Dallas to Collin County by 11, still likely okay, but damaging wind gusts likely right there at midnight from Fort Worth, Arlington into Dallas at that point. Collin County, Plano, Princeton, Blue Ridge into Greenville, Delta County, Hopkins County, Lamar County at midnight, all the way down to Brownwood and Stephenville, Somerville County too at midnight. By 1 o'clock in the morning, the leading edge where the damaging wind threat will be, Canton, Mineola, Corsicana, Hillsborough, Ennis, Waxahachie, Joshua, Cleburne, Meridian and Stephenville. By 2 in the morning, the severe threat will shift into East Texas. All right, so by this time, Canton maybe still lingering to some gusty winds at 2 a.m. But like I said earlier, it's the leading edge where the severe threat exists. So once you get behind that leading edge, it's just heavy rain, thunder, lightning, and breezy conditions. Okay, so not widespread severe thunderstorm chances or severe wind gusts, but just breezy and rainy for the rest of the overnight. So as we get, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, severe threat will come to an end. Then North Texas starts to clear out. Now, by 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday, there will still be some lingering showers and thunderstorms southwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I think the Metroplex will be okay. Okay, so I do believe that the Dallas-Fort Worth area will be okay when it comes to the Monday morning commute in terms of it being dry. So the latest severe weather outlook, level 4, moderate risk for all of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then off to the northwest. A level 3 enhanced risk outside of that from Hillsborough to Corsicana. That's because we do expect the thunderstorm complex to slightly weaken the farther southeast that it goes. The risks remain the same, 60 to 80 plus mile per hour wind gusts. Now as we get into Monday, a little chance for rain is possible. Some more scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially well south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area as we get into the late morning. Most of Monday for most of North Texas is going to be dry. Now, as we get into the afternoon, there's going to be a little axis of thunderstorms that will pop up, and these are very unlikely to be severe. They might produce some pea-sized hail, maybe some gusty winds of 30 to 40, but that's it. It's not severe. It's strong for sure, but that's this axis here southwest of the Metroplex could be a little bit of rain throughout the day tomorrow. Tonight, severe thunderstorms likely. The main risk, damaging winds, 68 degrees tonight. It's a WFAA weather alert day tonight. Tomorrow's 86, not as warm as today. Today was a hot day. We had 95, heat index values well above 100. Tomorrow, a little less hot. Still humid. 86 though, not as warm. There are the light winds. As we look at the 14-day forecast, it stays unsettled. I wish I could tell you we were getting a big break from the rain, but unfortunately we're not. But I have good news. The severe threat over the next 5 days is low. Okay, so it's not going to be like today. We'll have some scattered showers and storms and a very low chance for a strong thunderstorm. Then as we get into Father's Day, things calm down. Father's Day Sunday, right now, extremely low chance of rain. Beyond that, no chance of rain for a little while. Till we get closer to Juneteenth, it looks like we'll have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Highs the following week in the low 90s, so the warmth does return, but the rain chances take a bit of a break. Thanks for sticking with us here. We'll keep you updated on WFAA Plus all night long.